welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today I'm here to give you guys some natural slay. I'm showing you guys my version of my no makeup look. Believe it or not, when I'm going outside, I really don't care for doing eyeshadow. That's just my preference, unless I'm doing unless I decide to do makeup and throw up a picture on Instagram or do it for my YouTube video. I really don't have a reason to wear eyeshadow. So, and I try to do my face fast now, so I love the no makeup looks. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve my version of my no makeup look on myself, then definitely keep watching. And I also threw in a little curl tutorial. Get ready with. So first off, I'm starting off by concealing underneath my brow bone. Normally I fill in my brows first and then I conceal, but since my brows are naturally full and I'm going for a natural kind of look, I'm not gonna fill in first. I'm just concealing underneath the brow bone, and then I'm just gonna spread that concealer downwards, and then with my little sponge here, I'm gonna just take the remaining product that's on that brow bone and just spread it downwards. And then I went in with my translucent powder from Airspun and I just pat that all over the lid. The powder will allow the concealer to not crease and stay in place. Now for my brows, I'm using the Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia and her brow brush to lightly fill in my brows. As you guys can see, I'm using small strokes, basically kind of like hair strokes, and basically just filling in any sparse areas that needs filling in. And I just mainly added some product towards the end because I do like to have a little tailbone for my brow. So I'm using this Sea Breeze toner just to tone my face and clean my face down. And then I went ahead with my Urban Decay B6 prep spray and I just prepped my face for this primer. This is my second time using the Fenty beauty primer. The first time I used it, I didn't really like it, so I wanted to give it another try, and I still really kind of don't like it. But I wanted to give it a try, and I don't know, I'm not too fancy about it, guys. But yeah, so for my face, I went ahead with my Huda Beauty foundation, one of my newest favorite products, and I did something different also, guys. I did everything all in one. I did my foundation, my concealer, so I put the foundation under and then I just put the concealer right on top, and basically I just blended everything out. So when it's time to blend everything out, you want to focus on the outer edges first. So basically blend out the foundation first and then go ahead and blend out the concealer, which is on top. So I kind of like this method, honestly, guys. It was really fast. It's really fast. Like whenever I do this method, I do my makeup 1, 2, 3, probably like 30 minutes if I don't do eyeshadow. But if I do eyeshadow, it probably takes me a little longer. So to set that concealer into place, I'm using BHCosmetics Butternut Beige setting powder, and I'm just basically patting that into those areas where I applied that concealer. I'm not baking today. Whenever I do my no makeup look, I like for it to look really natural as possible. So I really don't bake. I just continue to press the powder into the skin until it dissolves. And then I just take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, and then I just pat that right over those areas. That step is optional, I guess, guys, but I always do it. For my contour today, I used that color from the BHCosmetics contour palette, and as you guys can see on the right side of my face, I did go a little too harsh. So if this does happen to you, you can just go back in with your foundation brush and go right back over that area. So I went in with some blush from MAC and just applied that to the apples of my cheeks. Then I went in with my Bobbi brown highlighter, and that same brush I was using to blend out my under eye concealer, and I just used that to apply that to the bridge of my nose, and literally that's it. I didn't apply any highlight to my cheeks, and I used my Morphe setting spray, and to top everything off, I went ahead with some mascara and applied that to the top and the bottom of my lashes, and basically that's it. So now onto the hairstyling. So I'm using this little edge styler that was sent to me from Baby Tress. I'll put the link down below, and I love this little brush. What I mainly use it for is to tame any flyaways that I have. I tried to swoop my baby hairs for the first time by myself, but I feel like maybe if I gave it more effort, it could have came out better. But I really don't have the patience for baby hairs, and I'm really not into it like that. But if you're into it, it definitely does the trick. So I use this Sea Mineral Moisture to just give the hair a little bit of shine, not too much of it though, because I don't like my hair to look too shiny, and I really don't like putting too much product in the hair. And then I went in with my curling iron. The curling iron that I'm using, I did talk about this curling iron in a previous video. I'm just basically using a 2-inch curling iron. I purchased it at TJ Maxx, $20 to $30, and I'm curling the hair away from my face, and I'm just holding it there just for a few seconds, probably like, this is sped up a little, but probably no more than like 30 seconds, honestly, guys. And this is hair that I purchased from Ali Pearl Hair back in July. I did chop it up a little. When I first got it, it was 14 inches, so I guess you could say it's probably like 12 inches now. But I really don't have nothing bad to say about this hair. Also, I did bleach it twice, and it's still holding up pretty good. And I did purchase this with my own coins, okay guys? Just in case you were wondering. But are you guys feeling this color on me? Because I was so skeptical, and I'm looking to try new things, and I'm very boring, and I'm very like repetitive, so I'm always like doing the same thing. So I'm trying to step out my comfort zone a little bit, and I decided to revamp this wig. I'm trying to get into like learning how to do my hair myself. I feel like for something that I did myself here at home, I feel like it definitely looks great, and I'm loving the highlights. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this color on this hair, I'm gonna put the link to that up top and down below in the description bar, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm done rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.